think first off, the sessions have been really great from the standpoint of the networking, of seeing what other companies are doing. Some of the things that I picked up is how important it is to collaborate with your stakeholders within your lines of businesses. Alliance Data is a very decentralized business model, and how important when you're driving change and transformation across your enterprise of the stakeholders and bringing in the relevant stakeholders early into the process to help drive the change forward. From the presentation, so the presentation that I presented on was business cases are not a dark art, the science behind the numbers. And the key thing that I really emphasized is really risk, making sure when you're developing your business case, identify some key risks to help you with your mitigation strategies to drive your projects forward. The three risks that I talked about during the presentation was one, making sure of the enablement or the end users accepting the new processes and changes. Really, that was a big risk for us because of the decentralized model, so it was very important of user adoption. The other risk was when you're going through a transformation of changing from a very tactical organization to a strategic, to have a game plan in place, and job roles are going to be changing. So ensuring that you have a plan in place to address that risk when you get the buy-off from the CFO of driving the change forward, but you need to have a staff to support that new change. And then lastly was around electronic invoicing. If you're looking at automation solutions, the biggest thing is not only getting the appropriate internal buy-in from your internal company, but as well as your suppliers. And that takes some time to get your suppliers to truly get on board with an electronic invoice initiative. So that would probably be the three takeaways, is really look at your company, identify the risk, and ensure you have appropriate mitigation plans to drive it forward. This is my first time at a Shared Services Link conference. Really like the format. Really has been one of the best conferences just in engaging other companies. The networking events, the encouraging of sitting at different tables, the learning sessions have been wonderful. I don't think in any other conference I've attended, really had the opportunity like I had today of really understanding what other companies are doing within the procure-to-pay lifecycle.